Is Cisco Webex stuck on the loading screen? Whether the app won't open, a meeting keeps loading forever, or you're unable to get past the startup screen, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Cisco Webex stuck on loading in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Webex from loading meetings or signing in correctly. Try refreshing your connection or switching to another network. Next, completely close the Cisco Webex application and reopen it. If the app isn't responding, end the process through your operating system's task manager before launching it again. Now check whether a newer version of Cisco Webex is available. Installing the latest update can resolve loading bugs and improve compatibility. If the problem continues, clear temporary application data, if available, and temporarily disconnect from any VPN or proxy service. Network routing or corrupted cache files can sometimes delay the loading process. If the desktop app is still stuck on loading, open the meeting using the Webex web app in your browser. This helps determine whether the issue is limited to the desktop application. Finally, restart your computer or mobile device and try launching Webex again. If the loading issue continues after restarting, reinstalling Cisco Webex may resolve damaged application files. And that's how to fix Cisco Webex stuck on loading in 2026. In most cases, checking your internet connection, updating Webex, using the web version, and restarting your device will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.